Try that shit,
Y'all ready? Part 60? Yo. If I'm different, then so be it. Used to cop the Coke and Kias. Pussy out her Prius. I don't ever wanna be us. Don't like us, but you need us. Ice blocking, town of freezer. Ice and grass, dewy mornings. Where today gon' lead us? Moon an alien, and I'm like, take me to your leaders. Music zombies off the yellow. You bugging, so catch the fever. I break establishments. I put Expando in the meter. Rofanta over woods. Them blunts about a meter. I eliminated Rick. Why your things keep eating Wheaties? My youngin's really lethal. I will feed you to a fetus. Miami with the heaters. Doctors, they fix your features. You plastic because you fake. They swipe plastic for the features. Teacher, 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 lean over. Now show your skirt. They was 18 in a week. Well, that's entrapment with the work. You know sex is still a drug. That package wrapped in skirts. Please, come sell your soul. 3D printers make you merged. I'm plugging all my plugs. You supposed the middleman. Bipolar off the coca, boy, you need some Ritalin. Oh, to be a kid again. Who whip I'm whipping in. Riding out while they was sleeping. Homie sitting tryptophan. I could fuck your bitch again. I tossed that bitch to Rich and them. Could fake with all my friends, but I just live so different. I had moved my moves again. Playing chess, we castle in. Yeah, there's rooks on every corner, bitch, so don't get cornered in. I would rather make you king, but we won't hesitate to kill. I could pimp her for the mortgage, but I'd rather scrub the bill. I could hook you here and now. I just ran out of pills. Life is rich versus poor. Y'all still play the color wheel. I'm trying to chef the meal and make a couple mil. I'm burning up the bread. Dark nights, how jokers feel. All this trash made us mad. Comedians get gassed. You've lost touch. Reality wish this elevator crash. Damn. Like, oh my God. I need to hear that again. I need to do that again just for my own sake. Wicked World 610. I hope y'all appreciate this week. That was dope. Check out the Joker references. If you haven't seen the new Joker movie yet, you probably won't get the last 4 bars. I just want to say thank you again every week. Your support grows. The love grows. The connections grow. I appreciate the support. Like I said, Moon610. Make sure you're following, getting your friends to follow. That's what I want y'all to do this week. Normally people ask 2, 3. I ask 1. Get one of your friends to check me out, one of my Black and White series, and subscribe. Show them this one. If you really like it. Show them this one. Show them your favorite. And tell them to be honest. Because that's what I want. I want people who really fuck with me to fuck with me. You know what I mean? Make sure you share this. Thank you again. Like and subscribe. Comment. Hit me up. You already know SoundCloud's in the descriptions. We just got on Spotify, like I said. So many things are coming soon. Wicked fucking world. God bless. Stay safe. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Damn.